This book, The Richest Man in Babylon, is full of stories that teach you how to become smart with money. It's not just about numbers. It's about real people from ancient Babylon and how they built wealth. You'll read about Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, who shares simple tips on how to save, grow, and protect your money. There's also a story about the luckiest man in Babylon who became successful with the right mindset, and a camel man who was once a slave but worked hard to pay back his debts and earn respect. These stories are easy to understand and full of smart lessons that still work today. If you want to learn how to manage money in a fun and interesting way, this book is a great place to start. The Man Who Desired Gold. We meet Dabasir, a chariot builder in Babylon, who is frustrated with his lack of wealth despite years of hard work. Along with his friend Kabi, a musician, they lament their financial struggles. Dabasir and Kabi approach Arkad, the wealthiest man in Babylon, to understand how he became rich. Arkad shares his journey from a humble scribe to a wealthy man, emphasizing that anyone can become rich by following simple principles. 7 lessons Arkad teaches to help people grow their wealth.
Cure 1. Save at least 10% of all you earn. Pay yourself first. Cure 2. Don't confuse necessary expenses with desires. Budget wisely. Cure 3. Invest your savings so they can earn more. Let your money work for you. Cure 4. Avoid risky investments. Only seek trusted advisors. Cure 5. Own your home if possible. It creates security and saves money. Cure 6. Plan for the future. Think about retirement and protecting your family. Cure 7. Keep learning and growing. The more value you can offer, the more you'll earn.
Key takeaways from Arkad lessons for creating a wealth. These cures are timeless and applicable even today. Build wealth slowly, intentionally, and with discipline. Desire alone is enough. You must act wisely and learn how wealth is created and preserved. This sets the stage for seeking advice from someone who has actually built wealth. Wealth is not about luck or inheritance. It's about applying timeless principles with discipline. Arkad introduces a core idea. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. The idea of luck in wealth building. Arkad argues that luck favors the prepared, those who take action.
Opportunities appear to those who are ready to seize them. Hesitation and procrastination kill more dreams than bad luck ever did. Let me share 5 universal laws for handling money. Law 1. Gold comes easily to those who save 10% of their earnings. Law 2. Gold works diligently for those who invest it wisely. Law 3. Gold stays with the cautious who seek advice. Law 4. Gold slips away from the naive who invest in schemes they don't understand. Law 5. Gold flees those who force it into impossible returns.
These laws remind us to respect money and understand how it works. They warn against greed, ignorance, and impulsive decisions. The gold lender of Babylon, Rodden, a spearman, receives 50 gold pieces and seeks advice from Mathan, a moneylender. Mathan shares how he evaluates whether someone is trustworthy enough to lend money to. Lesson: be cautious who you trust with your wealth. Money flows toward those with sound judgment and discipline. Lending should be based on character and proven responsibility. The walls of Babylon. While Babylon is under siege, its strong walls protect the people inside. The story becomes a metaphor for protecting your financial life. Lesson: just as the city needed strong walls, you need financial security, insurance, savings, and emergency funds. Always be prepared for life storms. The camel trader of Babylon. Arkad, a young man deeply in debt, meets a camel trader named Dabasir, who tells a story how he too once fell into slavery due to his debts, but repaid them honorably and built a new life. Lesson: you can recover from debt and failure by taking responsibility, planning, and acting with discipline. No situation is hopeless with the right mindset. The clay tablets from Babylon. Archaeologists uncover ancient tablets with financial wisdom written by Dabasir, showing how he managed to repay debt systematically using a budget. Lesson: budgeting, planning, and sticking to a repayment strategy can transform your financial life, no matter how deep in debt you are. The luckiest man in Babylon. Nada, a wealthy merchant, shares how he went from slavery to success. Through perseverance and wise choices, he became one of the most respected men in Babylon. Lesson: hard work, integrity, and learning from mistakes can lead to immense wealth and respect. Your present situation does not define your future. The Richest Man in Babylon is not just a financial book. It's a guide to living a disciplined and wise life. Its parables teach that wealth isn't about chance or background, but habits, patience, and sound judgment.
If you learned valuable insights, don't forget to like this video. For personal financial literacy and valuable book reviews, subscribe and be a part of Alpha community.